To fix the Disney Plus app when it's not working, first check your internet connection, as a weak connection can cause streaming problems. Attempt to resolve this by restarting your Wi-Fi router or moving closer to your hotspot, and consider trying a different network. If the issue persists, try restarting the Disney Plus app, as it may have accumulated glitches while suspended in the background to save memory. A simple restart can often fix minor issues. If this doesn't work, ensure you're using the latest version of the app by checking for updates and installing them if available, as outdated apps can cause compatibility problems. Additionally, clear the cache data, as a broken cache file can cause the app to malfunction. Check for any error codes, which can provide a hint about the issue, and look them up on the Disney Plus website or other troubleshooting guides. Test other streaming apps to determine if the problem is specific to Disney Plus or a device-wide issue, in which case restarting your phone may resolve the problem. If none of these steps work, it's possible that there's an outage in the Disney Plus data center, or you may need to reach out to their customer support as a last resort.